On this video, Alta Cuir will be demonstrating its range of edge paint. The Extra Performance Primer 53 and Color Code 54, along with the Ironable Color Code 427. These products were developed to be applied with any type of edge paint applicator. Color Code 427 was developed to be ironed. It has excellent application flow, very good physical properties, and it is available in a variety of colors. When ironing Color Code 427, use temperatures varying from 80 degrees up to a maximum of 100 degrees Celsius. See the difference between various applications of Color Code 427. The Extreme Performance range P53 and P54 comes on high and low viscosities to perform well on different type of edge paint applicators, as well as to produce different final appearance on the edges. Low viscosity primer PL53 will penetrate deep into the fibers and will produce a flat film. High viscosity primer PH53 will stay more superficial and produce a round film. See the difference between primer PH and PL53. Color Code PL54 have an excellent application flow, making it a very easy to apply product, and it will produce a flattened film comparing to PH54. Color Code PH54 have also an excellent application flow, and it is also an easy to apply product. Due to its high viscosity, it will produce a nice and round film. See the difference between PL54 and PH54. If you are looking for a super high shine edge, you can apply our glossy top coat. Now, if you are looking for a dual edge, you can apply our dual top coat. And this is the result of our P53 and P54 series. We have a variety of colors and different effects on our edge paint range. For more information, please contact Alta Cuir.